Mayhem, day session, walk on. Got a couple of the lads with me. Should be a good little session. Let's get it. Let's fucking get it. Oh, testing this new camera angle, so don't judge me if the content looks wild, people. That I'm testing. I think these men are down by bog. I think they call it. Not bog. The one with the hills and all of that. So hopefully should be a good first game. Fingers crossed. Body gear feels light today, I will say that. I think it's all that push-ups and sit-ups I've been doing. It's starting to pay off. Starting to defo pay off. I'm thinking around my body gear and everything just feels mad light. Don't want that wire in my face. Because you can see the cam up there, so you're losing that front bit of vision. Hopefully you guys can see what's going on though. But yeah, hopefully it's a good day of airsoft. Green team respawns on the other side, right? Yeah. Alright, cheers, see you.
Yeah. I went for wherever you think you go with me, and then the kid was like, just get me. Oh, say.
Nah, it's
Huh?
Did you get yours on, Trey?
Huh?
You got yours on.
Yeah. Cheers, bro.
Let's defend it, let's see what we can do. Come on, Trey, let's take it easy.
Trust me, reserving energy.
I swear I love all of my kids, but I can't see them. Flicking through scriptures, trying to find wisdom when deep down all in my heart. With me, I kept on pushing it, but hustle and grind. Now every month, it's work hard and we shine. I kept on writing, made this music be mine. Disappeared and lost my concept of time. Healed things with March, thankful on a different thing, living life daily. Trying to claim a little wing, so we live in sin.
Who's taking a shot at me? I can just hear it pinging off this thing. him. Oh, there's another one. Okay, he's gone. Puff out again, bro. Okay.
Is a blessing, and I'm a touch up on wife for a lesson. Tip on your toes, you are bad as you step in. Roll up a boot, then it's back to progression. Roll up a boot, then it's back to progression. Tip on your toes, you are bad as you step in. Tell them I touch up on wife for a lesson. Show from your foot where I walk is a blessing. Bend in your back, tell her relax. Now you give me chat, I ain't into the ads. Feeling your energy, I'm trying to react. Feeling your energy, I'm trying to react. Bend in your back, tell her relax. How you giving me chat? I ain't into the act. Feeling your energy, I'm just trying to react. Feeling your energy, I'm just trying to react.
Look at this little pussy all trying to line me up. Careful. Alright. Straight ahead. Come on, right in your mask. Defo got hit there. Call it. Got him as well. The gun's acting up though, every second or third shot. Look at him, it's like he like getting shot. Come on, stop peeking.
On 3, mate.
Done.
There is one behind that fence.
Literally, that's it. It's him I'm waiting for. Cause I know the moment I run in, he's gonna peek out.
2 of them.
2, yeah, one on the left. 3 of them, brother. There's another one on that left-hand side as well. So there's one right by the entrance and one on the corner. Watch that left, cause he might come around that left-hand side. You see him? Over there. No, he called it. There's one behind that Range Rover though. This is one on the window I want, bro.
And I
Come closer. He called it, brother, he called it. Come on, where are you? Cheers, brother, for calling. Still one.
One's pushing right, one's pushing right.
Yeah, I got him. Wait for him to pull up by that Rover and I'll pick him. Come on, man, make it fun. Don't have me camping all game, geezer.
Zoning, I'm flexing, focus on destiny, zoning, I'm flexing, focus on destiny, I love it how you zoning, I'm flexing, focus on destiny.
So one behind that Rover, one by that window right there.
There's one coming round to the left. One coming round to the left.
Ah, you bastard.
There's still people behind that door.
Yeah, one is literally on that right hand corner.
Yeah, that's the one who killed me.
Come on, man, Pete, bro.
He's poking his head out now. He might be moving now. Just give him a second. He's falling. I'll say now. Now.
There's one behind.
Yeah.
Let him come round, because he's going to get cocky. I was going to take this corner, but you see he's waiting for me.
I love it how you
Windy. Missed my chance to shoot him. Now there's 3 of them. Wait for them to get cocky, wait for them to get cocky. Is there one still there? Can't say we. Yeah, careful. There's one also behind that range on the left, on the right, sorry. I wanna go in there, but I know this pussy's gonna peek out on me.
Yeah, no, watch. I can get him if you want. He's
No, they've got 3 coming from the other side, G.
on the right, on the front of you.
He called it, bro. Yeah, he called it.
Yeah, right at the back. Oh, nice one. Come on, surely.
Got him? Yeah. Gang shit, let's push, guys, let's push! Oh!
Yo, Mush, was that kill? Grenade was there. I don't know where it landed, bro. I can't see. I just call it, bro. What coming up?
Oh, let's go.
Yeah? Oh, careful. Saucy. Is it auto, yeah? Okay. Alright, cheers, bro. Huh? 2 seconds. Just so. Okay, so range in the front window. Yeah, bro, I needed to bring out my auto gun as well, boy. Fucking hell. Oh, saucy. Need to make sure. Okay, we got a guy on that side. I need mid caps, man. I need mid caps in my life. Oh, good shot. Huh?
Got me as well.
Bastard.
I didn't even know he was there.
Serious.
I'm almost out as well, man.
Same as well. After I get killed, the next time I'm just gonna walk back.
5 mags will come through.
Serious?
Yeah.
Active. And I said 5 mags.
My SD card full.
Serious?
Oh man. I've got a good view as well.
And I don't even have the laptop to move it for you, you know. Shit. Maybe ask the man them to see if anyone's got spare SD card on them.
I just delete what's on it.
Oh, okay, fair. Yeah, look, I don't even have a full 200 rounds. Fuck it.
I'm basically, I don't know what's left in this. And that's me.
Do you want this mag then?
Nah. I need to sit down as well.
Nah, I hear it. He's saying, Yeah, man, I'm gonna have to change this bucking back.
The one in the front of the back.
Showed me the plan and course I made you gang. Took an interest in your future. Had to let go of my flaws to be a better man. Know you from nowhere, you stay true, then I let you go.
Oh, good shot. Oh, shit. Dude, you can see me waving, chill out, bro. If I actually spin and get some empty, you won't like me, bro. Not fighting back, though. Pistol.
What is it, 3.8?
High capper.
Yeah, but what's the barrel, 3.8?
4.3.
What is it?
4.3.
Nice.
Not too short, not too long. 5.1s are good, that's what I started. Okay, do you know I was the other way around? I started on Glocks and came over to high capper. Yeah.
I run a WE Glock, I mean, I like it.
This is what I does, so here we go.
How are you not calling that? Oh, good shot. Let's see if I can get to a better angle. To line it.
One guy,
Roll
straight
out.
up ahead. You take this corner, straight up. Where the fuck is his head gone? Yeah, you see him right up ahead on that first berm.
Okay, fair. Shot! Shot! Come on. How we looking, Zach?
Bro, I think it's a killing spree out here. I think of this sort of thing.
Oh, why not? Someone look?
I've got one mag left.
Oh, bloody hell, it's the 1911 model.
Yeah.
I wish I had my
I've tried on my high capper before though.
Yeah, they work. They do. What brand is this? Double Bell?
No, I think it's
That looks pretty cool.
Action Army, I think.
Look pretty cool. You like it?
Right, should we push up?
I would like to. How are we looking up there though?
If you're going to push up, don't go in the mound facing them. Get your back against the mound facing off. They won't even notice you're there. And as soon as they're running, you can pop them all in the back. It's a good tactic.
Thing is, I've got limited ammo. I've got maybe 20 rounds left.
If you can get low, get close, bro, you can get all those at the mound. You can make. I'll make the push with you, son.
We got eyes, peeps. Henry, please come out and play with us.
Yeah, well, I need to get. Thank God you're here. I'm just in filming that.
Okay, now hey. Oh, I'll call it. Good shot. Trust me, bro. Go revenge me. I'll be back. See out the 5-5.
Yeah, Zach moved like a cat. Get away with it. That's the extra suspense today. I could have let Josh kill me on the first interaction.
Zach, do you have eyes on them?
No, they're all hiding behind the mound.
Okay.
The second mound from off. Or third.
If I smoke them, you down to run in with me?
Yeah, bro.
Say less.
Yo, what's going on? What's going on? I tell you what! Woo!
Oh, I never went off.
Driving start, driving number. Off mode! Oh no!
It didn't go off, innit? It didn't go off.
No! I don't see nothing.
Oh my gosh, it didn't smoke.
That one with the specs, Ronnie. The one you put in the black cap and the specs. I'm not off my head. And multi-cam. He just obviously just done it. He just carried on. Yeah. And I was like, cool, you know, I don't know, I just feel like that. I know he's there. Get out of here! Game over! Me! Henry! What? Did you see that battle? Yeah. It was fucking crazy.
Come on,
Oh, this gloves are sick.
Huh?
This gloves are sick. What are they? The winter ones? Like slightly thicker?
I don't think they are. Yours are better in terms of thickness, but I wanted something I could grip the gun but still be protected.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. They look slightly padded.
Yeah, they are padded, but I think they're thinner than those because I had these ones before.
Ones like.
I never thought I'd see a man respond to Bonnie Tyler's I Need a Hero so majestically, didn't you?
We've done well, man.
New superstar today.
I just run the HK Army ones.
Next
Fair.
game,
So,
I've got hours of footage of Zach. I need footage of you.
I'll make sure I stick with you.
Like, I need you guys.
I just was trying to try other areas because we just kept on getting shot down here. So we went over there was wicked, bro. If we had you over there, brother, we picked up about 30 of them over there.
No, I think I only killed like
Actually, can I get
about 5 people.
you? Like, I need gals.
Don't worry, mate. When you have a close book, you'll be clear as many people.
You need us to do.
Yeah, I just need to do something with you. Actually, what will you and Zach do? We just need to
Because it's at the point where they can see like the top of my thing, but I
Yeah.
can't see them.
Actually, you can all do it since you're all there. Right, I just want you to stand there, but I want you to walk forward towards me when I tell you.
Yeah. Content.
I saved that smoke, by the way, so.
Okay, cheers. For some reason, it never went off.
Mr. Cool.
Oh, why is the wind not working for me?
It's okay, love. It's alright. It's alright, bunny. It's okay. Right, all stand in line. And walk towards me.
Yeah.
Right, keep on going. Keep going.
Cheers,
I
Bill.
wasn't trying to get in the front, I was just trying to make it, because of the mount, to get in a bit of a single vial type thing.
No, makes sense.
It's on your YouTube channel.
Pardon?
It's on your YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So, Trey, have you ever met Billy?
I think I have. We played before at ATL.
Yeah, I've got photos of him before. Yeah.
Well,
Of course.
Awesome.
Did you have the special... Is it Special Ops?
Yep, Airsoft Special Ops. Yep. I think you gave Ellis the shotgun.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. I think I have met you then, broski.
Yeah.
I don't think we played much together. Probably only 1 or 2 games.
This is probably our second or third game.
Okay, there you are. Why not, man? The more the merrier. Pardon?
Trying to upload the video a week or so.
Oh, brother, you're telling me. It's the editing hours that take up the time, brother.
But for me, I don't have the actual...
Unless they're at that same skill set level and the hit calling's good.
Yeah.
Like you said, the content's going to be a bit iffy. Whereas,
I don't mind doing days like this, it's just the fact that I need to be faster, I need to be able to push up more and actually get to where I need to go, because I'm just walking around with my knees hurt.
no, I hear you.
It's not good.
Training, man, bit by bit, brother.
That's what I've been doing.
Yeah, bit by bit. The more you play, the more you put yourself, safeguards, the more you put yourself in the environment, the body will get used to it, so it will hurt less.
Yeah.
Oh, can't remember Airsoft days before. I used to get home and I literally couldn't walk.
Yeah. Well, I have it, because like, I'll be reeling from last week's session.
All good?
So like, it's better, I can actually see now, but I think I need heavier DBs. 2.8 saying can't you?
Well, how far you getting?
The thing is, I think they're reaching their target. I just think by the time they get there, they don't have the...
Drop off.
They don't have the actual oomph to actually feel it, because I've been hit a couple of times, and if I wasn't paying attention, I wouldn't have caught it. Because I'm like, oh, that's just like a leaf or something. But
Oh, okay. No, I get you saying.
it's just one of those things.
They're running like low FPSs. Chair and all of that. We saying part 20. The finale. Imagining live sessions is done for me. It's crazy. I remember when we recorded part 1, 2 and 3. Remember when we shot the first couple of videos. It's crazy. God is great, eh? Here but I'm gone, guess we rarely speaking. Big Zubber and brown juice, the beat kicks in. Reminisce about old days, the barrel spin. Now I pour out my pain just to see win-win. Pray for them, the next gens, they sin. Go so hard in this thing and have no next of kin. It's so sad in this life, what we do to win. They just lined up a upper, ain't no shape up thing, survival of the fittest. No one showing pity, reporting from a first hand view. I love my city, 12 local, be circulating.
waiting. If you slip, then they're escalating. Watch your team close, yeah, they're penetrating. More time the ones that phony be hesitating. Forever shaking, you a foe if I ain't mistaken. Stayed so loyal to the cause when my back was breaking. Hand on heart, looked me in my eyes, but you was faking. Heart was breaking, I was trying to heal cause I was aching. I tell them chase your dreams, build this music, it's a faith thing.